Hey guys, it's Paul. Thought you might just want to hear a few sounds of the night from the old swamp. Things are just starting to warm up a little. It's like just getting to be above freezing, so you start hearing some of the critters. But give it a few weeks, they'll be really loud. It's a welcome sound to hear, though, after so long when it's been quiet out here. It's nice to hear them. Things are just starting to warm up here, and it's a nice night out. Got a bit of a breeze. You can see a planet, I believe, right there behind me. So it's nice. I look forward to being able to start getting out some, even in the dark. I really like filming outside if I can. Offers a lot of variety, so yep, looking forward to it. So, just a quick update. Want to share some of the night sounds. They're starting to reappear. I love it. Spring is in the air, finally, just a little bit. Alright, everybody be well. Speak soon. We'll see ya.